Here we have the ultimate desktop antique typewriter, the Royal 10. Not sure the year because it was rebuilt, I believe, in 1935. And when they do that, they grind off the old serial number and put a new one on. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The margins are behind here. And you can just move them with your finger like that, and it will stop at that spot. Same with the end. Very easy to use. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double or triple, you just flip that switch forward. This is double and it'll skip 2, and this one's triple, it'll skip 3. We're going to keep it on single for now and go to the next line. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine. It feels antique-y, feels classic, sturdy, won't jam up on you. The print looks good. Looks like an old typewriter print. The feel of these, you can't get anywhere else in the world unless you get these antique typewriters. They will not make these ever again. And this one will actually last forever if you take care of it. Pass it down generations if you want. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to load thicker paper or pull paper out easy. Carbon copy or cardstock is something people ask about. And you want to flip it back. If you don't do that, then it'll not feed the paper properly because it'll be unlocked underneath. It's got a backspace here on the top left. That works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, you just hit the shift button again. It's got a tab function to set the tabs. Flip this back again, and it's these little inserts right here. They go along this back line here. You put them anywhere you want. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them back here. And you set them, and then it'll stop at each one of those. Works good. This is your ribbon color selector switch. Right now it's on blue, which is the top portion of the ribbon. And if you want it for red, you switch it to the left and it'll just hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. We're going to keep that on black for now. And this is your ribbon direction control. If you flip it to the left, it'll start pulling to the left clockwise. All the brand new ribbon is on the left, so we need it to pull to the right, so we flip that to the right. Now it's pulling counterclockwise to the right. It's got a carriage release on each side, so you can control the carriage. Right here by the knobs. And that's about it, I believe. It's got a few other things that you figure out once you get it. But very popular machine, and it's now available for sale on Etsy or eBay. Find my shop by searching Brooksaw Antiques.